13 common symptoms of hormonal imbalance in women. Hormones are very important. All of our actions are hormonal, and sometimes we cannot explain our irrational behaviors. This is something that hormones cause. Hormones are chemical messengers that provide communication between cells and organs in your body. However, due to modern lifestyles, many women face hormonal imbalances. This can lead to problems such as PMS, anxiety, leg pain, thyroid issues, cravings for junk food, dry skin, and many more. The body produces over 60 hormones secreted by different glands. This system is called the endocrine system. These glands are extremely sensitive and can become imbalanced when exposed to excessive stress, junk food, and environmental toxins. Additionally, years of medication and birth control pills can lead to hormonal imbalances. In this video, I will share with you 13 common symptoms of hormonal imbalance in women. Additionally, I will give you some excellent tips on how to change your lifestyle habits to balance these hormones. Before we start, don't forget to click the like button below the video. Likes help me reach more people with life-changing health tips and solutions. This video should not be used for the treatment and diagnosis of any disease. It is for educational purposes only. 13 symptoms of hormonal imbalance in women. 13. Depression. When your hormones are perfectly balanced, it is very difficult to become depressed because most of the time, you feel peaceful and energetic. Depression usually occurs when a specific hormone, such as estrogen, testosterone, cortisol, or thyroid hormones, is not produced sufficiently. As you can see, the body gives us signs and clues that indicate our internal health status and help us recognize hormonal imbalance. 12. Frequent infections. Cortisol is a hormone that reduces inflammation in your lungs and strengthens your immune system. However, low cortisol levels make you more susceptible to viruses and infections, leading to frequent colds. 11. Varicose veins. When blue or purple protruding veins develop on your legs, you likely have varicose veins. This condition is caused by excess estrogen in the body. Women who experience this usually gain weight around the hips and thighs and may feel mild pain. 10. Facial hair growth. Facial hair growth in women can be associated with polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, due to high levels of androgen, male, hormones. Your voice may also become deeper, and you may develop more masculine features. High androgen levels are often triggered by the consumption of refined foods and sugar. 9. Eyebrow thinning. If you notice that your eyebrows are thinning, this is usually a sign that your thyroid gland is underactive, hypothyroidism. The thyroid gland is located in your neck. Low thyroid function can also lead to depression, dry skin, constipation, and weight gain. Low thyroid function is often caused by a liver, gallbladder issue, or high estrogen levels. As you can see, these hormones are interconnected, so one imbalance can lead to chain reactions in the body. 8. Irregular periods. Your periods should follow a regular cycle. On average, a period occurs every 28 days, but this duration can vary between 21–40 days in different women. If your cycles become irregular, stopping and starting at random, this indicates an estrogen imbalance. 7. Breast tenderness. High estrogen levels can cause your breasts to swell or become tender, especially before your period. This is a classic sign of hormonal imbalance. You may also experience heavy flow during your cycle. 6. Sugar cravings. If you crave something sweet after a meal, it may be due to too much insulin in your body. This condition results from years of consuming too many refined carbohydrates and can eventually lead to type 2 diabetes in some people. 5. Oily hair and skin. Another common symptom of hormonal imbalance is an oily scalp or oily skin. Your sebaceous glands start producing excess oil when you have high androgen hormone levels. This is usually caused by zinc deficiency and the consumption of too many refined foods. 4. Hair loss and acne. If you notice your hair thinning or falling out in large clumps while showering, you may have high androgen hormone levels and low estrogen levels. Consuming more cruciferous vegetables can help balance these hormones. We will discuss this topic in more detail later in the video. 3. Vaginal dryness. If you experience vaginal dryness or decreased libido, especially after menopause, it could be due to low estrogen or testosterone levels. Both of these hormones need to be in perfect balance to maintain the health of your sexual organs. 2. Racing thoughts and anxiety. If you have trouble stopping your thoughts, it could be due to your adrenal glands producing too much cortisol. Cortisol is known as the stress hormone, and high levels can make your mind overly active and stressed. 1. Hot flashes. If you feel an intense wave of heat across your face, neck, and chest, you are likely experiencing a hot flash. This can also cause your skin to redden. Hot flashes are common in women using birth control pills or going through menopause, and they occur because low estrogen levels affect the thyroid. Why are my hormones imbalanced? The hormones in the body are extremely sensitive to the chemicals around us and can also be affected by mental pressures and stress. Here are the most common causes of hormonal imbalance. The most common cause is consuming too much sugar and refined foods. These foods are difficult for the body to digest and can lead to blood sugar problems and insulin hormone issues. Mental stress and the pressures of life affect your entire endocrine system and nervous system. Additionally, most people do not consume enough vegetables and nutritious foods, which prevents them from meeting their needs. Not getting at least 8 hours of sleep at night affects your mood and brain chemistry and damages the pituitary gland. The consumption of genetically modified, GMO, foods, pesticides, and chemicals are also known as endocrine disruptors, which harm your hormones. Fat cells produce estrogen, so being overweight is often a cause of hormonal imbalances. Finally, eating frequently strains your digestive hormones, which affects the entire system. How can I balance my hormones? Now let's take a look at the 6 essential steps that can help you balance your hormones naturally. 1. Reduce sugary foods and refined carbohydrates like bread, cereals, biscuits, pastries, sweets, crackers, pancakes, sodas, and fruit juices. 2. Replace them with healthy fats like extra virgin olive oil, raw coconut oil, grass-fed butter, and avocado. 2. Healthy fats reduce your cravings and naturally balance your hormones. 3. Take a daily supplement of DIM, diindolylmethane. 3. This is a natural chemical found in leafy greens and cruciferous vegetables. 3. DIM supports the detoxification of excess hormones from the body. 4. Switch to organic foods and stop eating commercial fruits, vegetables, and grains. 4. Pesticides and chemicals are known as endocrine disruptors and damage your delicate hormonal balance. 5. If you have a hormonal imbalance, I recommend cutting out dairy products like cheese, milk, or yogurt. 5. Dairy products contain naturally occurring anabolic hormones. 5. This can worsen hormonal imbalances, especially if you are overweight. 6. Take long walks in nature to flush stress hormones from your body. 6. Walk in areas with lots of trees and breathe in the fresh air. 6. Essential oils released from plants help calm the nervous system and physically remove stress from your body. Follow these 6 essential steps, and you will begin to see dramatic improvements in your health and hormonal balance in a short time. Correcting the chemistry of your endocrine system will also help clear brain fog, improve memory, and increase your overall well-being. The endocrine system is a collection of glands that secrete hormones to perform various functions in the body. Women experiencing hormonal imbalances may encounter a series of symptoms and signs shared in today's video. By cleaning up your diet, managing stress, and exercising more, you can heal your glands and address the root causes of hormonal imbalances. For more information on natural remedies and nutrition, check out our other videos. Thank you so much for listening to our OzCon Healthy channel. Your likes are always appreciated, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for more healthy videos. I wish you health, wealth, and happiness.